we're out here.
I'm about to give Boobe here a relaxer.
A new look.
A new look. I've already sectioned off.
Very scared.
I don't know what
Pray
you're
for
saying.
me, guys, please. Keep me in
So,
prayer.
inside the box, it comes with this big thing of instructions. I've already used majority of the contents in this box for my own hair. And so now we're about to use it for Arturo here. Everything's already mixed up. It's in a creamy consistency. I've parted.
Smells horrible.
It smells like ammonia. I parted his hair in like 5 different sections. I left one section apart so that I can begin there. You always want to start from the back of the hair and then move forward, because the front of the head tends to process faster than the other parts of the hair. So I've combed through it, detangled his hair and everything. So now we're going to begin adding this hair relaxer to it. And let's just jump right into it. We're gonna put the processing cap on, let it sit on for, let's say, 10 minutes.
So it almost touched my eyes. I'm about to go blind.
Alright, we'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Alright, y'all, so his hair has processed for 15 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and wash everything out using this here creamy aloe shampoo that came with the box. Let's get started. Since when I did my hair, I used up all the conditioner. I'm just gonna go ahead and put in this nourishing coconut milk conditioner. Handful. Gonna rub it all throughout the hair. All right, and he's gonna come back. Come back now. Put your head. We're gonna comb through the hair now while the conditioner sits for a minute. His curls didn't really take kindly to that relaxer.
Looks good still. Has this hair ever been slicked back like this?
With gel, yeah.
Yeah, but it
So right now it's got a bunch of conditioner in it. So
kind of puffs up when I put gel.
All you need is a suit and tie.
I think
How long does the conditioner stay?
just
we're ready to wash it now. We're good for her.
Molly's like, what the hell?
What
happened?
You're not my dad. You can see how his scalp is like, the hair closest to his scalp is way more relaxed. Alright guys, so we have the finished look here. Ooh.
It's not bad. Look at that.
Mm.
We just need a Cuban cigar, guys. New me, who this?
Looks good. I love it.
Yeah.
You like it?
Ready? Looks good. Need to shave like a little bit right here. But it's just like coming down. And then shave this beard.
Well, there y'all have it, guys. That's how to do an at-home relaxer on your fiance. So it's later on, and we went to the store, picked up this here Garnier Nutrisse Ultra Color dye. It's in the form of like platinum blonde. So this is either gonna go really bad or really good. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the contents of this box.
It comes with a conditioner. Comes in a little bottle like this. And then ultra lightening cream. I think you mix that with the rest of it.
Bottle of Garnier Nutrisse Ultra Cream Developer. And then it has this bleaching powder. So it's got A, B, C, D. These are all lettered. So I guess we just follow them accordingly. In the instructions, it comes with gloves, you know, the oversized plastic crappy gloves.
I'm gonna use
And like a whole novel worth of directions. Well, we're gonna shake this. And take that off. Open this up. Unscrew the cap, and it's got like the little pointer part right there, and then we're just gonna punch.
Oh my god, no!
Oh my god, no!
Oh, it's all on my hands. That was scary. Alright guys, so we parted my hair into 4 sections. They may not be the even-est sections, but they're sectioned off. I'm so scared. Well, you did the relaxer, so I'm gonna be strong for this one. So he's done applying the dye to my hair. It looks very orange-like right now. We're gonna put it up in a shower cap, and it has to sit for 20 to 30 minutes. The one box wasn't entirely enough to cover my whole head. We have lunch with his mom tomorrow, so I don't know what I'm gonna do if this doesn't come out right. I got some of the product on my good sweater here.
I can see it.
My hair is looking really, really orange.
Let me see.
No, it doesn't
Oh my
look
God.
bad. It doesn't look bad.
So we're gonna let this sit for another 8 minutes. Hopefully the color will lift a bit more.
Let me see.
Oh my God.
No, it fits you. You got eczema. Doesn't
Ooh.
look bad.
Nice and orangey.
Look like a Fruit of the Loop. I'm just kidding. It looks good. It fits your tone.
I feel like crying. Like I said in my snap, guys, I don't care if it doesn't come out the color that I want it to.
It looks good.
As long as my hair doesn't fall out, I'm okay. Cameron's over here hyping me up.
It looks good.
Bruh.
So it has now been officially 30 minutes. My hair is hella orange. Like, I'm ready for Halloween orange, guys. They have these 3 different hair colors here. This one is like the darkest that they have in the box, and it's supposed to be like this. It's supposed to come out this blonde, right? Well, my hair was originally darker than this. So I'm going to try and wait it out an extra 15 minutes. and see if this color lifts any more than what it has already lifted. Hopefully it does. If not, I don't know. Okay, so it's officially been 42 minutes now that I've sat with this on my hair. Oh my goodness. It's still attached to my head, thank God. So now we're going to rinse this out and then put in the Ultra Brass conditioner and then let this set for 5 minutes after we wash this mess out. Alright guys, so my hair has been washed. While Arturo was in the midst of washing my hair, it did feel really, really dry and stringy. It felt like hay. It was horrible. And like I'm noticing, we have the conditioner in right now. I'm noticing the spots where he really went heavy with the dye, but it does look very patchy right now. It's like the ends of my hair didn't lift much for anything. But I gotta go wash this out and I'll get right back with you. So I'm back and this is the finished look. I used some of this here coconut milk to replenish my hair pretty much because it was still kind of dry. I am not satisfied with this whatsoever. I feel like this was a horrible mistake. Maybe tomorrow the color will turn. Molly doesn't even recognize me. She's like, who are you? Hi, Mama Girl. She doesn't even want to give me a kiss. It looks like I didn't even like do anything to the bottom half of my hair, really. Like,
I don't think it was creating enough heat.
I don't know what the deal is. This is how I'm gonna wear my hair tomorrow.
You know
So that nobody notices, really, what I've done. I'm not taking this cap off for crap. I'm gonna leave it on and try to correct the damage that I've done to my hair. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's just leave that on. Thank you guys for watching.
Stay tuned for our next bids.
Yes. I hope you guys have a fun and safe weekend.
Be careful out there, it's a jungle. Yes.
Bye guys.
See you later.
Oompa loompa doopity doo. I got another present for you. You will live in happiness too. Like an oompa loompa doopity doo.